All right, the formula that we need when the problem gives you a specific heat is Q equals M times CSP, which is the symbol for specific heat, times the change in temperature. So heat is the Q, and that's going to be in joules. M is mass in grams. And the delta T is the final temp minus initial temp. So it wants us to calculate the heat in joules. That means Q is our unknown. Required to raise the temperature of 75 grams of water. That's going to go in for M. From 10, that's the start, to 65, that's the end. So we're going to do 65 minus 10, the last temperature minus the initial temperature, and put 55 for our delta T. And then it also gives us the specific heat that we need for water. So we're asked for Q. That is all by itself on the left side. And on the right side, these are three numbers that are just all multiplied together. So 75 times the 4.18 that they gave us for specific heat times the 55 that we got after we subtract. We put that in our calculator. And in my calculator, it says 17,242.5. For significant digits, that should be rounded to 3 significant digits. So the 2 would be the last significant. And then you change the 4 and the 2 to zeros so that you have placeholders to keep the number 17,000, not 172. But if you put either one of these into the computer program, it would take it because it allows for some variation of answers.